Caliente by Belle Tress, very popular style. I own the original Caliente in many different colors and have loved it ever since it arrived on the scene maybe 4 or 5 years ago. Well, now they have a Caliente in a 16-inch. This one shown in Tres Leches Blonde. We're going to do a comparison between the new Caliente 16 and the original Caliente. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. That link will take you directly out to the Wig Studio One website where you can see all of the colors and pricing. Remember that Belle Tress is an automatic 30% off at checkout at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and don't forget the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. And it's not quite as simple as the original Caliente is shorter than this Caliente 16. There's a lot to unpack here. So let's run through the specs of the 16 real quick. So as the name suggests, it's 16 inches long. It has a 7-inch fringe here, which I absolutely love. I think that makes it much more manageable. And this is very much in common with the original Caliente. We're going to take a look at that. So let's run through the specs real quick on this Caliente 16. As the name suggests, it's a 16-inch length, as opposed to the original Caliente, which is more like 12 inches. So it's 3 to 4 inches longer. It still features that same 7-inch fringe piece right off of the lace front. Beautiful. I think that makes it so much more manageable in the front for sure. This one on the 16 has a lace front and left monofilament side part. That is also apparent on the original Caliente. However, the one on the 16 does extend back into the ear tab, and I don't believe, we're going to take a look, but I don't believe that that is true for the original Caliente. Back when the original Caliente was born, they kind of stopped that lace front right at the ear tab, so it did not extend. So I rather love that feature on the 16-inch. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the original Caliente. This one is shown in the color brown sugar with sweet cream. So the original Caliente is a short to mid-length, wavy bob style cut with a blunt cut all the way around. It still features that 7-inch fringe. The lace front does not extend back into the ear tab, and it has a left monofilament side part. So the Caliente 16-inch appears as a Caliente that's just grown. Now, how does that change things? How it changes things is because when you have a blunt cut style with no graduated layering, when you take it out, when you take the length out to 16, it does have a very heavy weight line. It features the same kind of wave, which we can see some variability in that wave, right? We've all seen that on Caliente. But it's more of a blunt cut, leaving a heavier weight line on the ends, on the bottom. And this one weighs about an ounce more. Of course, there's a lot more hair here as well. So the biggest surprise that I had with the 16 inches was just how heavy the bottom of this was because of the lack of layering. And it does drag the clothing quite a bit, obviously more so than the original Caliente, which just at collar length or above on most people. So if you're asking me what my favorite one is between these two, I have to opt for the original Caliente because of its length and its ease of wear. I feel like this Caliente 16 is gorgeous, absolutely hands down gorgeous, but I'm going to have to wear it up quite a bit to keep it off of my neck and shoulders. That will increase the longevity of the style. It'll also help keep me cooler in the summer months. So let's go ahead.